This is a fishing reel line spooler that I am working on right now. It is a work in progress. It is made from basically pieces that I've have laying around the house, around the shop. It's an old fishing pole that I lost the top part for. I don't even know whatever happened to it. I removed the eye that was right there and actually moved it down here. The reel goes on there just like any other fishing pole would be. The frame is just pretty much made out of scrap wood I've had laying around. The spool of line will go there, a little tension spring, and then what you'll do is you'll take the line here, and then you'll take this line and you'll thread it through the eyelet and then onto the reel. And that actually, between the tension spring and the eyelet, it actually does create enough tension, I've found, to be able to spool a reel, and it works pretty well. Like I said, it still is a work in progress. Definitely not finished with it yet. Still testing, trying to figure out the best way to do it. I'll probably end up trimming up the end of the pole there. I did unfortunately break this little piece here, so I've had to kind of glue it in, hoping that's going to work. Like I said, this pole's been just kind of, well, piece of a pole has been laying around the house for quite some time now, and I decided to maybe make some use of it. So stay tuned for other possible updates of this and other fishing videos and other random videos on my channel, of course. Excuse the very messy workbench. I mean, it is a workshop. It should be more clean and organized, but I just haven't had the time to do that. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.